Today we're taking a look at the Corning part number WCH-CLSSC-12P. Here's a nice look at the back of it, a little knockout right there. And you have two entrances on the top and the exact same on the bottom. And let's go ahead and open the side, and each side holds 6 panels. And I like this cable management. It's flexible and a little area there for some ties. It's pretty nice. I actually liked it a lot. And there's the other side, the 6 panels on one side, 6 on the other. Let's go ahead and crack this open. Here's a good look at the inside. You do have jumper routing guides. And one of the things I really like is this cable right here. You can go ahead and move this, plug it there in the upper left corner, and then you have a very convenient workspace right there when you do your, what you got to do to make everything look pretty. Comes with a couple of these. Order online at discountlowvoltage.com.